Okay, so we already know the turnout on this one right here. Make sure you guys watch till the very end. This may get a little redundant because I know some of you guys that watch every video that I post. Sometimes I throw in the tug of war videos that we did back in last year sometime. I think it was last year. And she took me really good on that one. But here's a clip of our first tug of war. This is before she had four-wheel drive. And it was a stalemate.
And
so
horrible tires,
just
right?
just watch that. And then we're gonna go ahead and clip to the second one, which would be the second rematch.
With four-wheel drive.
With four-wheel drive.
And these tires.
Yes.
And
so,
you had...
I had the same tires.
Not these ones that you have on it now.
Okay.
You had the rubber band tires.
And I had the rubber band tires. So enjoy this clip right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to the video.
I'm going nowhere.
Okay, so now that we're back, you can see in that clip, she did beat me. This time I have the Nitto Recon Grappler, so I have a little more tread on this one right here. And I feel that it's gonna be a little more even, but you guys gotta watch and see how this all unfolds. I don't know how to explain this.
Total fail.
It's a fail. I don't even wanna waste your time, don't even watch the video.
Stay tuned for Tug of War round 3. Oh, 3. Let's do that again.
Let's get it. So you excited to finally get rid of these old wheels here?
Yeah, I'm excited to see my truck again with the nice tires. Thank you. No, I don't know if I'm able to lift my rims up that high.
You want to try? There's a technique to it. You don't have to be strong.
I've seen your technique, but I don't know.
You don't have to be strong to get it.
I could barely do it when I was on the ground. Remember, that was this side.
Well, if we have to lower the truck, we'll do that too, but...
Because remember I used my knees
Yeah.
to help me? Let me grab it right here.
Yep. It's all in the hips.
Oh my gosh.
Don't be scared.
No way.
Oh, you got
It's
this.
too heavy. No. I need to lower it.
Here, hold this.
Oh, you're gonna do it?
Well, I'm not trying to show out or anything. I'm
Yeah, you show off.
No, look.
You show off?
You bared 4 children. I don't, so. Kind of lean back like that. And then just kind of let it rest on your, right here. And then just walk it. See, look. Yeah.
Show off.
It's really not that heavy when you do it like that. You want to try it again?
Well, I did try it like that, I thought.
Well, you did,
Did
but
I lean back?
lean back further. Try that.
Well, I feel like I won't be able to reach the... Yeah, I need to get close to the next one.
These Anthems look way better. Way better. Lean back. Don't fall. You're doing it wrong.
I wish I would have grabbed it longer.
Oh, I feel bad for you.
Okay, yeah. How do you do that? Okay, let me try again.
You want to keep trying, or should I just throw these wheels on?
Let me try one more time.
Okay. This is kind of fun to watch. Just don't hurt yourself.
And fall back.
You'll fall on the pallet.
All right. Grab it right here. Is this where you grab it?
Yeah.
Nope. I'm done.
There's all kinds of ways of doing it. I don't know.
Well, you can put it on.
When it's that low, it's easy. But you could probably put this thing on if we lowered the truck down to the ground.
Yeah, that's how I would do it.
Yeah, I know that's how you do it.
But if you want to lift it up.
Okay, I'll do it.
Go for it.
See?
Mm-hmm. You make it look so easy.
You want to try it again?
I'm like, I don't need to work out for a couple days after this. See, you make it look so easy. I feel like a weakling now.
Anyways, all right. So you can put the lug nuts on.
Yeah, I'll do the easy part.
All right, let's do this. I plan on doing the rockers, cab corners, putting a fresh paint job on this thing, getting all the little dings and dents popped out of it because we do have some imperfections. Like in the bed, you know, this is actually a really clean truck for what it is though for the year. This is a 2005 Silverado, but we put a 2003 GMC LB7 engine in it with the ECM, TCM, all that stuff. So essentially I just swapped everything over. The drivetrain, everything went in this cleaner LOY body. I guess this truck was from Texas years ago, but it does have some rust on it, so I will be addressing that. But I do plan on doing a lot of work to this truck to make it nice. Like I said, I would like to put 2 turbos in it. And I also would like to say huge shout out to everybody who has went on my website and purchased a lift pump for their Duramax, Power Stroke, or Cummins. Hey, look, I don't make a ton of money off that stuff. I literally just drop ship that stuff. And in turn, I use it to provide you guys with awesome content when it comes to these trucks. And very educational, informative stuff. But the good thing about the AirDog 165 lift pump that's on here, I have those available and they are in stock. So if you want to get one because our economy sucks and this stuff's available. So if you can get a lift pump for your diesel, definitely get one while you can. I'll leave that link in the description. Now we have Boost Auto Parts switchbacks. They're really cool. I would like to paint match these eventually after the truck is fully done and presentable. We are going to keep the same wheel and tire combination. These are 20 by 12s on -24 offsets. We have a full built front end. We are talking kryptonite everything under there. Center link, tie rods, bearings. Kind of hard to see that, guys, but guys, we are talking the works in here. The truck is planted. It stays straight when it's pulling a sled. I'm super pumped about this year because we're going to be taking this thing out to the sled pulls again. And hopefully, since we got the transmission dialed in, we're going to be able to see what happens. We're going to go ahead and unleash the fury of the Wife Max. And this time, I think you should do it.
Yeah, I'm going to try to be brave.
Try to pull that sled.
Try to do a sled pull. I've never done one before, so that should be quite interesting. I'm just thinking probably something will break or I will just suck at it.
Nah, hey, you know what? It's whatever. It'll be good though. It'll be a good learning experience for us all. All right, so let's go ahead and get this truck warmed up. By the way, if you are extremely offended by black smoke, do not watch this video because I know some people get really, really upset. So if that's you, don't watch the video, okay? LB7 versus the LBZ Duramax. Who will take the title?
Round 3.
Yeah, actually it would be round 3. Forgot about that. Okay. All right, whatever. New tires. I have newer tires. You have the old tires. More grip, more power, way more power. Ryan's Diesel Service 68mm turbo. I have a 68mm turbo in this truck as well. It's a VGT 6-speed. This is a 5-speed billet, Garin, Allison with a triple disc torque converter, all built by Kodiak Truck in North Prairie, Wisconsin. 10mm CP3 and 100 over injectors with a 165 GPH air dog. Studded. This truck's got some power. This one right here put down about 560 horsepower on the dyno, 1,100 foot-pounds of torque. This one put down 1,400 foot-pounds of torque with, I believe, I can't remember the number, guys, don't kill me, but it was over 700 horsepower. I think it was like 760 or something like that. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. You ready?
Yeah, just don't drag me too far.
Oh, don't be scared. I won't hurt you.
I think I still got you.
Oh man, here we go. Let's do it. No, you actually pulled me back. We gotta watch the video, yeah. You pulled me back. I was going back. Actually, yeah, she did pull me sideways a little bit. Look at that. All right, let's reposition. Do it one more time.
We should probably get further over here.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. We're just sliding down the hill. All right, let's do it. We need to find a flatter surface. The problem, guys, is it's too icy outside. And where I live, I don't have a lot of property. It may look like it, but I don't. I have like a plot. And unfortunately, my grade is so jacked up. It's actually like sort of down. So when I'm pulling, we are actually just going sideways. But I would say that you still won because you pulled me back.
I don't know.
Twice.
Are you sure?
I felt it when I was sitting in the cab, yeah. I still say you got me.
Maybe by a tad, but I think that would have been a good match.
Some tires are actually a lot better than the last ones.
Yeah, that would have been a good match if the ground wasn't like this.
Oh man, I don't want to make this video a wash, guys. I really don't. I hate that when it happens. I could do it right here. Problem is it's actually frozen. Or we could do our driveway, but I don't want to tear my driveway up.
We'll just call this video Tug of War Round 3 Fail.
And
close. We need space.
This is flat, but it's an uphill.
Like, let's just use the neighbor's field.
Use the neighbor's field, yeah.
They won't mind.
I'll have to ask my neighbor if he's watching this video if I can use his field. That's a great idea. Yeah, we need to figure this out. Dang it, man. All right, let's look at the carnage. So this truck just went to the car wash. It is dirty.
I know, it's filthy, guys.
It's not too bad. Not too bad. This truck is peppered with all the grass that was kicked up from these gigantic tires. These gigantic shreddy tires. Look at that, guys. Yeah. So this is going to the car wash today.
Well, I don't have to wash it because I still won, right?
I'd say you won.
Sort of. by a centimeter.
Yeah, look at the other camera view though. This is just from the cell phone. The other camera view is in front of the Wife Max, so.
Speed up.
Yeah, you gotta speed it up.
Yeah, you were pulling me.
I was pulling you.
You were pulling me. But I think I let off too because I was afraid I was gonna hit that tree.
Go back and do that again. Yep. Yeah, I was pulling you. But if you let off, then that makes sense.
I did let off because we were sliding and I thought we were gonna slide right into that tree. So, I don't know. Let's see what the next one looks like. Sideways.
I think once we hooked, it was a stalemate.
I don't know. You can't really go off of this.
Yeah, we got to see a different view. It's like the NFL, man, when you're watching
we need
a flag or something, you know?
I didn't like this angle that you did. Like we need a side view.
Yeah, we need
because you could really tell who's pulling who on the side.
We also need a cameraman.
Well,
I need to hire a cameraman.
Did you want to watch it again or no? We'll have to see what this camera.
We're gonna have to see what this camera
caught.
does. Yep, all right, let's do that. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments. I know it's a traction game. I know this video is kind of pointless and stupid, but we wanted to do a part 2, and I thought it'd be fun. What do you think?
If anything, it looked like you got me on the first one because I let off the gas. The second one, we just both equally went sideways.
Yeah,
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. But I don't know. It was still a lot of fun.
So this one, technically, you won on my bad. Because I thought I was gonna hit a tree.
I'll take the W.
Fail.
No, this video wasn't a wash. That was beautiful watching the 2 trucks play in the backyard again.
Yeah.
That was really cool. I enjoyed it. I had fun.
It's not as dirty either.
Oh, it's because everything's frozen outside.
I know.
It's like 12 degrees.
That's a positive side to it, right?
It
Easier
is.
to clean.
Yeah, I totally agree. So, okay guys, so I wanted to post this video because we are going to do this again, but next time we're going to make this more fair.
Let's see if we can use a field.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to my neighbor and see if we could figure something else out.
I would love that.
Hopefully we can get somebody who can hold a camera too. That'd be kind of nice. Or even a drone. That'd be neat. So stay tuned for that, guys. This is just a fun video I decided to throw out there. It's a little different from all the install videos we've been doing with these 2 diesel trucks.
That would be a pretty good match. I think.
I was going to take the LMM out actually because I already knew I was going to lose.
No, those tires you have on the
Nittos?
LBZ is a lot better than those last ones.
The last ones were rubber bands.
That's going to be a good match when we have solid flat ground.
Yep, talking to the neighbor. It's going to happen.
You think they'll let us?
Yeah, I think they'll let us. We have a couple neighbors around here with lots of property, so we'll figure something else out. Why couldn't we get in the in-cab camera?
Well, because your horn didn't work, so we had to talk on our phones, be like, ready, set, go. That's how we did it.
But guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Maybe there's something that we may have missed because I am just watching camera footage. I'm not actually editing this at this point. So if you see something and you feel like maybe I just got her just a little bit or maybe she did, you let me know in the comments.
You did because I let off the gas.
Okay, I won. But that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Stay tuned.